Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing, opening, unpackaging video the DURACELL AA rechargeable 1300 milliamp hour batteries on screen. So we can now get into the video. Ordered from Amazon. One itself was about 6 to 7 pounds. So why would one want to purchase these batteries? Well, very efficient. Can be used across 5 to 10 years. You don't have to keep rebuying batteries, just keep recharging. The payback time is amazing. So now we can get into the product itself. And for this video, we did not require any sort of unboxing tool, as there was no box, only shrink wrap. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Amazing, really amazing. If I just simultaneously line all the batteries up to the wall, you can see that these are DURACELL Rechargeable 1300 milliamp hours. AA 4 times 5 gives us 20 batteries. As I work for a company called Showcase, we're always dealing with access control, locks. When the lock batteries finish, you have to keep rechanging. However, with rechargeable batteries, this is the best solution. You can use them across 10 years. All we require now is a charger to charge the batteries. Let us now open one up. And so, that's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.